Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons. Today we're going to draw Purple Kangaroo from Blue's Clues. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, I'm going to start right here with the two eyes. I'm going to draw a number 8. I'm going to draw two circles close to each other. It looks like a number 8 lying on its side. And then light reflections as usual. And maybe two little light reflections here at the bottom. And right above the eyes, just going to draw two little lines for the eyebrows, and I'm just going to round it off at the top. Let's color the eyebrows and the eyes in. Great. Down below you're going to draw a little nose. So you're going to draw it a little bit far away from the eyes, and you're going to draw a line like this, and then you're going to connect it like a triangle. It's actually not a little nose, it's a big nose. And now we're going to draw an oval shaped, egg shaped head. I'm going to start here on the top. I'm going to take it all the way around. Take it all the way back. And I'm just going to connect the two lines as well. Now we can go to the ears. I'm going to start with the top part of the ear. And I'm going to try to copy it roughly about the same. And then right here, I'm just going to bring it down. And on this side, you're going to bring it down as well. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, but try to keep it. Then the top part of the ear, and then we can do the same thing on this side as well, the top part. And these are two ears. Now we're going to draw the body. Now it's going to be very quick. We're going to draw sort of a light bulb shape. First I'm going to draw the neck, both sides, and then maybe I'll just draw a little indication line here at the bottom, and I'm going to take it back, make it nice and round, bring it to there. And from this side, just take it all the way around and connect it here at the bottom. And there's our body, very easy. Then on the sides, we're going to draw the legs, the hind legs, almost like a heart shape. See, almost like two hearts coming out. And now we're going to draw the feet. They're going to be big, so I think maybe I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just going to do the bottom part of the feet. I'm going to make it nice and round at the top, and I'll connect it. Now let's try to do the same thing. I'm just going to draw here, and I'm going to stop there, and from here I'm going to make it nice and round, a nice big feet, take it all the way back. And now for the two arms and hands, I'm going to keep it quite simple. So I'm just going to draw a line, a nice curvy line, two curvy lines. And then from here, I'm just going to draw one finger. Let's draw a finger on the other side as well. And then we'll draw another finger here. And there's the fingers. Very easy. There we go. And now a little tail coming to the side. Start here, and we're going to draw this little tail coming to the side, all the way back, connected to the foot, and there's Purple Kangaroo. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your Purple Kangaroo will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.